Customers often wonder how to increase the number of downloads of their app. As there are more apps in the stores today, it's even more important for your app to stand out. Just as with other technology, your app needs to be discovered by early adopters. These are the people you will need to convince to try your app. At some point, your app will reach a tipping point, and the majority will start to download your app as well. After their launch, some apps are discovered immediately, while others have a slow growth. The success of your app depends on the context, stickiness, and discoverability of your app. First of all, your app needs to be relevant. As Simon Sinek explains using his golden circle, you need to start with the why. Your app needs to serve a purpose. Your user needs to understand why they need to use this app. Try to answer these questions. Why did you make this app? What's your purpose? Why would you want someone to use this app? What exactly you do is not the most important when you try to convince your early adopters. Let's take the example of Uber. Uber evolves the way the world moves. In their opinion, everyone should have a private driver. Uber does this by seamlessly connecting riders and drivers. As a result, they have already launched several services in their app, all with the same treatment and payment via the app. Fancy cars, more regular taxis, but also car sharing. If the entire experience adds value, is creative, users will stick to it. As Einstein said, it's contagious. Friends, family, or colleagues often spread the word about apps they are excited about. 50% of the people learn about apps via friends or family. For example, Airbnb. Did you know Airbnb had already started their website in 2007? Only after they had improved photos on their website and Barry Manilow's drummer rented an entire house, things started to move more quickly. For example, Airbnb needed to increase both the supply and the demand of the rooms. They reward customers for sharing their experience and inviting others. Airbnb started to grow quickly, also compared to their competition. Being visible and easy to discover is not hard for popular brands. People simply use your brand name as a keyword. People mostly find apps by browsing in the app stores, so App Store optimization can help you to acquire new customers. An average user will compare the first 4 or 5 apps on popularity and uniqueness. For this reason, some companies add a very popular keyword to the name of their app, just as Spotify did by adding music to the name of their app. Airbnb is not that easy to find, with an obvious keyword such as B&B. App Store optimization is not the only option to acquire new customers. Your service needs to be present on multiple channels. Apps need to be part of a digital strategy and promoted across multiple channels. The different app stores operate differently. Not everything can be adjusted after submission. This overview should help you to figure out what's important. The name of your app and company. Both should be unique, and together with the category and icon, it should be clear what the purpose of your app is. The description. For Google Play, this should be focused on discoverability. For iOS, it's better to focus on conversion. The keywords are only applicable to the App Store, but have a high impact on discoverability. Once you have identified important keywords, check how competitive a keyword is and whether you are likely to be found. The category. You can choose 2. Check out the apps available in the App Store to see how you fit in. The basic visuals. A recognizable icon and a good screenshot visuals help to explain the purpose of your app. Adding promotional visuals, good videos, quickly help you to illustrate the purpose of your app. The popularity. The popularity of your app in the App Store is dependent on the number of downloads, external links, the rating, and the comments. Popular apps with strong features are likely to be promoted as editor's choice. Updates. Yes, you will need to keep up the good work and stay relevant. Pricing. Although paying for apps is becoming more common, consumers are likely to try free apps first. In Google Play, you can add a video explaining the purpose of your app. Video is a very powerful tool. This functionality will be available soon in the App Store as well. Furthermore, Google Play now requires featured image and text. As this image needs to be scaled up and down, it's advised to keep this image simple. No text, no devices or screenshots. Make sure you don't forget about possible competition. Check what they are doing, why you are different. Also seek out trends. Sharing economy, eco-friendliness, the quantified self, and handmade are examples of trends and initiatives widely enjoyed today. You need to be present across multiple channels. Make sure you facilitate your users' experience everywhere. Here's the example of Etsy. Once Etsy proved to be successful on the web, it went on to support mobile, Pinterest, Facebook, and even offline pop-up stores. Are you interested in learning exactly how this works? Social Media can help you with your promotional material, app store analysis, and a full review of your app marketing.